Hello, and today we're gonna be playing some Minecraft. Well, some more Minecraft, that is. Okay, so we've got this area. Nice. Crafting table. Okay, just gotta get my stuff in order, and there is the pigs over here. Right. Pretty. I'm gonna go kill these pigs. Yummy. Yellow, yummy. Okay, so this is the second episode. Sorry. Okay, so this is the second episode. Ooh, okay. Of my Minecraft Let's Play. Yay! Okay. So, where's my crafting table? Am I just using this to get it on right? Okay, I'm getting over there. I should be cooking this pork. Only just 1.5. Okay. Birch forest. But birch forest. Cool. Now I can make a birch house. I love birch houses. Oh my gosh, who cares? I have a bunch of wood. Get some birch wood. Yeah. Okay. This is the second episode. I might have already said that. Sorry, I'm just really tired right now. I'm spacing out. So, this is going to be my last try. Because I have 20 pieces, 23 pieces. Ooh, another cow. I hear zombies. That isn't good. Okay. Make all of that more than 64. Well, of course, more than 64. Okay. Where shall I make up my house? Ah, nice big open area right here. Okay. So I'll make the door. Right here. Boom, boom, boom. I like making my houses symmetrical. Now this is gonna be a very small house. So, except I will grow it definitely. So, mine, my doors, yeah. Okay. Now, around the edges, and right there, put that. Okay, oh gosh. Oh, that didn't even hurt me. It's on 3 blocks. Okay. Now I have to get. Actually, no, I don't. Why? Oh my god. Okay. Now. Yeah. My house. The house is almost complete. And oh my gosh. Last one. Here we go. And then a door. I do not have enough. Actually, yeah, no, I don't have enough for double doors. No, I don't. I'm like, no. And oh wait, no, I do. Because it is 3 doors. One of these I made. Okay, now it's very dark. And I saw, oh, okay, it's getting time. Oh. Coal. Oh, there's my crafting table. Okay, who cares? Wait, I got coal. Oh, I must have used it. Do I have torches? No, I don't. Maybe I didn't get coal. Okay. Yeah, and wow. Coal has spawns in very big groups. Very big groups. Whoa. Is that it? That's the smallest group I've ever seen coal spawn in. Okay. Okay then. Oh my gosh, my hand is too low. Okay, so I'm just gonna eat it. See, now I'm full health. Oh crap. Zombie. Oh, creeper. Oh gosh. Ooh. Oh no. Okay, Dirt, you're gonna have to repair my house, I guess, too. I might have enough. I probably won't. After I fix this, I'm gonna have to be done with this episode. So,